she loved me. I'd always keep her warm when we'd lay down by the fire and ride out the Memphis storms. But sweet Marie, she left me at midnight in the rain. And now every time a storm rolls in, think of her again. 'Cause I can hear the rain hit the ground like a slow drum beat of a love song, and the wind make a noise of a lap steel's lonely cry. And I can hear the thunder crashing like a heartbreak, about half the size of Memphis. Sweet Delta rain, it's gonna come down hard tonight. Now should the moon shine brightly, you know that I'll be fine. When the stars are high above me, well, she'll never cross my mind. But when the sky fills up with lightning, the clouds grow thick as lead, my sweet Marie, her memory is running through my head. 'Cause I can hear the rain hit the ground like a slow drum beat of a love song, and the wind make a noise of a lap steel's lonely cry. And the thunder crashing like a heartbreak, about half the size of Memphis. Sweet Delta rain, it's gonna come down hard tonight. Oh, my sweet Marie, now please don't leave. I said one stormy night, she said, my dear, your skies will clear and you will be alright. You know you'll be alright. I hope she won't forget me, but she remembers well all the nights down by the fire and how the raindrops fell. But should her mind grow hazy and her heart fill with pain, well, my sweet Marie, I know that she can hear that Delta rain. Every time the rain hits the ground like a slow drum beat of a love song, she can hear the wind make the noise of a lap steel's lonely cry. And the thunder crashing like a heartbreak, about half the size of Memphis. Sweet Delta rain, it's gonna come down hard tonight. Oh, sweet Delta rain, it's gonna come down hard tonight.